Welcome, today in front of me TCL Series 306, and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So now, as can you see, I can unlock the device with my face unlock, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device and we will see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as can you see, the face unlock feature works here. So I just suggest you to try it here. If, for example, if you don't like some unlock methods like the fingerprint or just pin code or passcode, you can try the face unlock. But just don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the passcode or pin code, so be careful with it. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.